Hi y'all, it's Tammy. Welcome to my channel. So today I decided I wanted to do something with this coffee table. I got it pretty much cleared off and this is what it looks like so far. So I'm going to be moving this basket. You see all this junk in this basket? Yeah, this is the way it's been, plus a whole bunch of other junk. So I had already cleared off most of the other junk that me and my family had piled on top of here because I really didn't want you to see just how bad it was. I had bought those baskets that you see under there. I bought those and I had got those from Dollar General a while back. So anyway, I wanted to get them and use them like you see under the table. So that's why they're there, so that instead of everybody piling junk on top of the table, we would have storage under this table. So yeah, so all the junk that's on the table is now in those baskets. After the holidays are over, I will be going through those baskets just to see what needs to be where. But anyway, you know, people have junk drawers. I've got junk baskets. So that's what those baskets are going to be for. I still have to cut the tag off, I see, on one of them and flip them around. But anyway, that's what those are going to be used for. So, and I'm going to clean out that basket and put that basket away. But this is what I'm starting with. And I'm going to decorate this table and let you kind of see the process of what I'm going with, because I've been wanting to get this done. And you're going to see me in my bathrobe. Still haven't been feeling good, and it's at night when I'm doing this. So anyway, I hope you enjoy the video. Please remember to give me a thumbs up. Please comment. Please share and subscribe if you're not a subscriber. And thanks for watching. And we'll get started. Just starting off here first with this scarf from the Dollar Tree, and I'm just going to lay it out. Now I'm just trying some different things to see exactly what I want on the table. I know I want the tray and the little lamp in the middle, the candle lamp. I have to be careful what I put on my table because of Nugget. He tends to jump up on the coffee table like a cat and can break things. He is still a puppy, but I've been working with him and he's getting a little better. I like these snowmen, so I've decided I want to use them. And I have a bag of greenery, just some picks here, so I'm going to be using them. And what I'm going to do is just put them around in this little tray. So here I have a candle ring, and I've decided I'm going to use this to put my little candle lamp in, and then build me an arrangement around the in with the candle ring, and that way all these pieces will stay together. You'll see better what I'm doing than me trying to explain it. I'm making this feel more wintry than Christmas, so that way it can stay out even after Christmas is over with. It can stay out throughout January and even up till February. So I just want it to have a good wintry cabin feel. And y'all can let me know what you think in the comments below if I've achieved that. So far I think I've done pretty good. I am having to cut these picks down so that they will stick in the foam. Some of these picks have very heavy duty wires, so it is taking me a little muscle here. Wish I had some really heavy duty pliers. I'm gonna have to invest in some, because the pliers I've got are not the best. They're really old. I've had them forever. They used to work a little bit better. I am almost done with the decorating around on this tray, and as soon as I'm done with the arrangement, I'll be finishing decorating, putting some decorations on the table. I'm taking my Mrs. Meyer's owl pine and a rag, and I'm going to go over here and just kind of clean up any mess that I made on my table. Can't even talk. Just wipe it down. Make sure I get it all cleaned up from where I made any kind of a mess from those picks, and clean up my mess. Now here's where I'm going to start decorating. I had these two pieces, the sleigh and the little reindeer, up under my tree, but since I'm having a hard time trying to figure out what to put on the coffee table because I'm worried about Nugget getting up there and breaking something, I'm thinking about putting this up here, because that way he won't maybe get up here and maybe knock this off. And the sleigh will be good to put our remotes in. Okay, y'all, here is the finished table, and I put some little lights down in there. Somehow I lost the rest of the footage. Don't know what happened. Don't know if it cut off on me or what. But you can see here that I put those little fairy lights just from the Dollar Tree in there. There's the deer, and you see my remotes are sitting in the little sleigh. We have to have our remotes right there so that we can find them and get to them. My husband will just put them anywhere, and we're always looking for them. So I want them all together. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Please remember to share, comment down below, and let me know how you liked it. And also subscribe and click that bell for more notifications. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day and a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Keep watching for more videos.